Good afternoon, ma'am.
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 Good morning, children. No, good noon now. Yes, children, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good.
Good.
I'm
What did you
fine.
do today? Safe. These days, when we ask how are you, people have started saying safe and alive. The trend has become like this now. I hope you people are safe, staying inside your house, not moving around here and there unnecessarily. No, no?
Yes, ma'am.
We have already done revision of memo downs. A quick revision of prepositions today. Can we have the common prepositions used in a daily, everyday conversation? Come on, speak. Let me see how many you can give. Count. Let's start counting. Can see.
I'm on, over.
Within,
Three.
after,
Wait a one at a time. Next.
and before.
Okay. 4.
Along with.
Along. Okay. 5. Wait, what did you say, Rani?
I'm 4.
Yes. 6.
Into 5.
9. 7.
Ma'am, 4.
Okay. 8 and 9. Good. Good. 9.
Again,
Good. Good.
After.
Hmm.
I'm at.
Good.
Ma'am, and with.
At also I've
Can.
counted now. It becomes 12.
And with.
What
May.
about since and all? Since is it a preposition?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So that one you had missed out. Good. Okay,
Until.
continue. Continue. Till, until. What is the difference between till and until, children? Who will tell me the difference between till and until? Tell me. Who will tell the difference between till and until to me? Anyone? Class 10C, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Anyone would-
ma'am, they are almost similar. Like, until tells that something till which it happens, it almost same, not a.
Do you agree, children? Difference between till and until. Is there any difference?
Ma'am, I don't think there is any difference.
Time longer than until.
Until it's a slightly longer than till. Fine. Anyone else? Any guesses? See, Veda, understand the difference between until and till now. Supposing I say I will come back to Bareilly till 20th of this month. I will come back to Bareilly till 20th of this month. It means that I will not come before 20th. I will only come when? On which date? on 20th. But if I say, yes, if I say I'll be back to Bareilly until 20th, it means I can come before also.
Before also.
Yes, the last deadline would be 20th, but I can be 18, 19, anything could be there. What I'm trying to say is there are countless prepositions. Above, over, below, behind, in, into, on, upon. There are so many. I hope you know the difference between on and upon.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Now let me see how many answers do I get correct from you. You will just plan the
This
first
exercise
5
we
answers.
have done.
This you have done. How many of you have done it?
We all have done this. ma'am.
Everybody has done this. All the questions you have done. How many beta they were? Let me see. And this paragraph, have you done this?
No, ma'am.
Let's do this.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. We've not done this.
Never mind. We'll do this.
Ma'am, we have done this also.
Yes, ma'am. This.
Okay, those who are regular know this. Never mind. If this paragraph you've done, no issues. This type of camel, did we do it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. The rain stopped. I went to the garden. Did we do this also?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. This also.
The entire thing did we do? My brother and I carried the kitten and all. Did we do this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We have to start multiple choice.
MCQs.
correct. Never mind. These are the most tricky ones. Just plan your first 5 answers. That's all. Because UT's prepositions are also coming. Modas is also coming. Just plan the first 5 answers. Then we'll
And
discuss.
when
Just
will you send the syllabus?
Write them also.
your UTs are postponed now. They are on 15th July. So principal sir said post
On
on
the
2nd.
syllabus.
Syllabus beta, prepositions. You've got prepositions, you've got modals, you've got editing, comprehension passages, letters, formal letters. Okay. And in
for other
comprehension
subjects?
also, you have got, yes, conjunctions and prepositions. You've got in this passages also, you've got 2 types of passages. One is a normal passage, I may give any one. Or one is the one which is based on what? Data. Analytical
Yes.
figure, data, that kind of questions. Just plan first 5 answers. Let me discuss with you.
Can we use 2 propositions together?
If you feel it is needed, sure. I'll also see where it is needed. You come up with the new thing. Let's see where it is needed. We'll just discuss once we discuss the first 5.
Ma'am, till the 9th one.
Okay, let us discuss. If I had time, I could dilate dash on this subject.
On.
In. Dialect
On.
in.
Dilate
On.
In.
Yes, beta. Not in. How can you dilate in? You can speak more. No, it's not in, it's on. The teacher's explanations are quite intelligible dash the students.
For
Two.
the students.
To the students.
Yes, beta? For
To
the
the
students. For the students is right. Two can also go. Both are correct. Both are correct. For also, two also.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Intelligible. The teacher's explanations are quite intelligible. But a for will be a better option compared to two. Yes, you were saying something. Now you say.
Ma'am, and the first one, like after the blank, on is already there. So, like two
We did
prepositions
not
are
see
supposed.
this on this subject. If I had time, I could
Yes,
highlight.
ma'am. That's why
So,
I was asking
no,
for two
yeah, it
prepositions.
is a misprint beta. On should not be there. On is the correct answer, but they printed it. Okay. So there is no correct option over here. On will be correct. It's already given. Second is from. He rushed forward to help, irrespective dash the consequences.
of the
Of the
consequences.
consequences.
Of
Of
the
the
consequences.
Who
consequences.
will explain the meaning of this sentence?
He did not care about the consequences and just went to help the person.
Yes. You're not supposing you see that some thief have entered somebody's house. So what do? You think two times, should I go or not? Maybe they kill me as well. Maybe they hurt me. So these are consequences that we think about. But this gentleman has rushed to hell without consequences thinking. He was learning dash a table. He was
Against the
learning
Yes.
table.
against the table. Very good. We always lean against a table, a wall. It's always against. I met Sohan yesterday, but I knew him long dash that.
Before
Before that.
before.
That. Very, very good. So we got all correct. The first one was wrong here, only in the printing part only. 6 to 11 now. I think hardly 2 minutes. So people are very smart, your section. 6 to 11.
Ma'am, do
Uh,
we need to write these in a minute?
But I will write after we finish all the 11 ones. That too only the correct
ma'am.
answer, not the others. Just the correct answers, not the statements. And why I'm making you write is I want to keep a record of the work done in case we again don't have board exams. And again, the CBSE tells us that give marks on the basis of written work and free boards. Then this will be something which is going to help me. Let me know, children, once you're done.
I'm done.
Okay. Some are saying done, some are saying not yet.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. Should we start, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Good. Very nice. Enjoy teaching your class because the response is always very good. You'd better demand an answer, dash that monitor as soon as possible.
From that monitor.
From that monitor.
About.
Very
From.
good. From monitor. From that monitor. He said he was going to make a singer dash me, but I thought he was trying to make a fool dash me. First, let's do the first one.
Excuse
He
me,
said
ma'am.
Yes, Vijay.
Ma'am, what was the answer for the sixth one?
You'd better demand an answer from the monitor. Sixth one you're talking about?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You'd better demand an answer from that monitor as soon as possible. What does it mean, children? What does this sentence convey?
Ma'am, can we write about? Like you should
Better
demand an answer about the
about-
monitor.
About that monitor. What are we, you're wanting to get some information off the monitor.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, like the computer monitor.
See, she has changed the meaning of this. She's trying to think that we are asking someone to tell us more details about the monitor. So we can, if we speak this like this, you'd better demand an answer about that monitor. We are talking about some reference of that person. Was he there or was he not there? Did he do this or did the monitor not do this? So we are getting an answer from somebody else, then we can use about. This from is the common one if you go for the simple meaning, but of course it can be taken like this. But let's do it in parts. The first one. He said he was going to make a singer dash me.
Of me.
Of
Finger off me. Let's see what the sentence is going to make sense. But I thought he was trying to make a fool dash me.
Full
of me.
Okay, fool of me. As I knew I could never make a success dash music.
Of music.
In music.
In would have been the best option, but in is not given. Go for the options given.
Ma'am, option C.
Option C.
Beta, off. Any disagreement or any difference in opinions? Seventh one. Somewhere I'm not satisfied with the last blank option given. I could never make a success of music. This doesn't make sense, children. It should be
Yes.
success in music. Okay? This last option
Yes,
is
ma'am.
only wrong. So it should have been off, and in. We can't get everything we want from life. We must just make the best dash it.
Of
Of it.
Yes, of it is correct here. Don't break the flower dash its branch.
Of it branch.
Of its
Branch.
I hope people are aware of the difference between OF and OFF.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, make a sentence with OFF, one or two of you, so that those who are not very confident will understand.
Please switch off the fan.
Okay, please switch off the fan or switch off the light. He fell off the horse. OFF, off. Okay. Don't break the flower we have done. This village is inhabited dash tens of thieves.
By tens of.
By 10 of thieves.
By tens of thieves. Okay, so many of thieves are living there. Mohan was instrumental dash helping the plan to succeed.
For helping the plan to succeed.
Instrumental. Be careful in this. Think what is the correct answer. Mohan was instrumental dash helping.
I'm in helping.
Any other differences?
Ma'am, with.
Instrumental with. No, with will not go.
Ma'am, for.
And for
Instrumental for.
In.
So many different answers. Okay, C section, majority decide and give me one answer.
Ma'am, in. Ma'am, in.
Yes, in will go. Instrumental with is not correct. Instrumental from is also not correct. It is instrumental in only. What does the sentence mean?
Ma'am, like he was ready to help the plan, like he was ready to contribute in the plan so that it succeeds.
And what do you mean by tens of thieves? Let me ask a few vocabulary things. Okay, it means many things. What does this sentence mean? Ninth one.
It means that you should not break the flower.
Don't plug the flower.
In short, if I say we or you say, it's simply that don't pluck the flowers. This is what we say. Okay, beta. Now let us have a quick revision of the types of letters that we have done. Chalo, let me tell. How many kinds of formal letters have we done? A quick revision and tips of writing good letters, which you will share with me. Yes, which are the types of letters we have?
we have done formal letters in which we have done business letter of placing orders and complaint letter.
We've not done letter of inquiry.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Has not
And
done
ma'am,
letter.
of letter of complaint, we have done only one letter.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
we've done letter of complaints. We've done letters of placing orders. And what about letter to the editor?
Ma'am, we have also
Yes, ma'am, done.
No,
letters
ma'am.
of request.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Letter to the
Yes, we
editor
have
did
done.
not pass.
Ma'am, we have done
done.
the requesting one to the commissioners and people.
Yes, ma'am.
Direct
And
you
we have
did business
discussed it,
office,
but we have not written it in the notebook.
library or a school in the village, something like that you've done, Abhijit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
In the
ma'am.
starting, we did it.
Offline classes.
Now tell me, in placing orders, what all precautions should we take? Just share it with me, 2 or 3 things to be kept in mind when we are placing
Ma'am,
orders.
Order should
ma'am,
be
we should
in
specify all the things what we need, where to deliver it, and how the payment should be done. All the terms and conditions should be mentioned properly, so that the reader could not get any confused. He couldn't get confused.
Anyone else would like to add on something which is missed out? Letters placing orders.
Quantity
the
of
order
the
should
order
be in
should be
bulk.
mentioned properly.
Very good. It should be a
A
bulk
table
order,
should be the equipment.
table for equipment, so that everything is very clear. Okay, the first view, the person would be very clear as to what all is wanted, which brand it is wanted with them. Okay, this is what we have to do. And what things have to be kept in mind for writing complaint letters?
Specify what the problem we have, and we should also give that we are like regular customer, and it should not be done again in future.
Because when we're writing a complaint letter, we always need to give a reference of our order number and the date when we ordered.
Yes.
So that supposing I am also complaining, you are also complaining, XYZ is also complaining.
And
So how
ma'am,
would, okay, make sure, and your language vocabulary use should be soft, but be very firm in what you want to say. Though it should be done in a very soft manner, but firm. I'm showing you an inquiry letter today. You are Mrs. Ashima, Senior Coordinator of Sophia Girls Academy, Lucknow. You're planning to organize a tour to Kulu Manali Rohtang Pass. Write a letter to the Hills Travel Agency, Lucknow, inquiring about the facilities and other details. Children, tell me what is wrong in this sender's address. There are 2 mistakes here. Tell me quickly.
ma'am, no
Ma'am,
pin
first
code.
there is commas put and
Ma'am,
pin
comma
code
and
is
there
not
is
there.
pin
No pin code.
Okay, something wrong in the date as well.
Ma'am, TH is
Ma'am,
not
TH
mentioned.
is not written.
Not there.
Okay, let's come about this receiver's address.
Ma'am, again pin
Pin
code
code is not
Pin code.
And some things I have hidden. Tell me. Lot of
Ma'am,
problems.
subject and salutation.
Subject and
And
salutation.
subject and salutation.
Subject and salutation. Then you put now salutation. Salutation would be sir or dear sir. Should it be respected sir?
No,
no,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Oh, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Very
No,
good.
ma'am.
Because business deal, we are going to pay for the service that is going to give us. Okay. I'll show you the question again. Tell me the subject. Read this question. Tell me the subject. Short and crisp.
Inquiry about the facilities.
Ma'am, inquiry about the facilities.
Inquiry about
The facilities provided.
The facility of the
Query about a tour.
yes, beta. Facilities, money, all these things we talk in the letter. Subject should be very short. Inquiry about Rajasthan tour. If you want, you can just add on a little and make it a little more specific. That's it. But don't exceed 4 words or something over here. Inquiry, you can add on, supposing this is corporate tour or whatever, you have to plan it out. So this part was hidden. Now see, how awkward introduction paragraph. Intentionally, I have picked up this. I want you to change the first paragraph. It is a very haphazard introduction. It does not make any sense. In a way that what should be written first is not planned at all. So you plan and tell me the sequence is wrong. How to go ahead. Read, take your time, read it. I'm just talking about the first paragraph later.
Ma'am, may I?
Sure. Yes, Peter Gargi, start. How would you plan this? Speak.
Yes, sir. This is to inquire about a tour to Rotang Pass for a week. We are a group of 50 students, 5 teachers and 3 parents. We plan to leave on the morning of 1st June. We wish to seek the assistance of a reputed company to arrange this trip. We are sure that we will make our journey and stay very comfortable.
Very good. She's spoken in her way. How to start with it? Anyone else? This is not arranged properly. The sequence is not correct of writing.
Ma'am, may I try?
Yes, Peter. Well done. Good effort, Gargi. Yes, next. Speak, Peter.
Dear sir or ma'am, this is to inquire about the facilities and the details of your company. We have planned a trip to Rohtang Pass for a week. We are a group of 50 students, 5 teachers and 3 peons, and we have planned to leave on morning of 1st June. We wish that your reputed company should arrange this trip for us and make sure that we make sure that you will make our journey well and make us comfortable.
Okay, fine. So, do you agree with what is shared on the screen? Should we start like this?
No, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am.
We should not start like this. It's very blunt. The second sentence still makes some sense. The first does not make any sense to start with. Rohtang Pass for a week. I'll tell you what it is. This must be the subject. Probably it was written over here. So we put it down. It was inquiry tour Rohtang Pass for a week. We need not write this such a long one. Kindly furnish us with the following details. They are asking about 6 things. Can we, after reading, think of something else as well, apart from these 6 things? Supposing you are going somewhere. So what information would you ask from them? Please read the 6 points and tell me is there something which is important and is missing?
Ma'am, we can write that place for staying.
Have they not mentioned? See, it's mentioned kind of accommodation. When
Ma'am,
they say
tour guide.
tour,
Ma'am, the place of
Guide.
staying should be OYO certified.
Ma'am, transfer
No.
facilities.
giving our details, we are asking them that what options you have for accommodation. They will tell you whether it is OYO or it is 3-star or 5-star. We are asking furnish the following details, means give us information. That if you will give information, options you have. Yes.
Ma'am, could we ask them about the pickup facilities?
Okay, that would come in any other facility. You can make it more specific. Any other facilities like pickup and drop? Very good. We can add on this. Anything else?
We can write place like famous tourist places to visit.
Basically, you're talking about itinerary. You want them to plan your itinerary. This is what you're saying, Beta?
Yes, ma'am. Like there is a total guide, no, how like when, where to go.
So that is itinerary. What is the word we use?
Itinerary.
Okay, fine. Itinerary is like supposing it is 1 week. Then first day, what all places will we be visiting? So that's itinerary. So you can add on that. What would anything else they have missed out?
Ma'am, can we ask about safety provisions?
Can we ask about?
And the provisions for safety.
Yes, ma'am. Like
Beta,
we can.
provisions for, her voice is not reaching very clear to me. Provisions for?
Just she asked for safety measures.
Sure, why not? Especially when we come to mode of traveling. Okay, we'll have to add on for this mode of traveling and safety measures ensured. Supposing they're giving us buses, then do they have fire extinguishers or not? Are the drivers police verification done or not? So we can add on this point with this arrangement of this travel wala part. We can add on safety measures. Yes. What else can you ask? Why have you written this in points?
And to make it
So
more
that we are very clear.
Yes, very good. And the other person also knows that I need to furnish information each and every on these points. Nothing is missed out as such. You
Yes.
people, you plan something. Think now, supposing you are planning, all your friends, all of you are going somewhere. Is there anything else which is coming in your mind which we should make it very clear? Otherwise, what happens is after such tours, there's always a dispute. You took so much money, you did not do this. You took so much money, you did not give us good food. You did not serve us non-veg. These kind of things they keep coming after. I've seen with these tour and package people. So it's always better to be very clear about it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Pache.
Ma'am, like we can specify that the routes from which we are going, they are like traffic is less there and there.
No, we cannot specify the traffic should be less. What we can maximum do is he will not be able to stop people to come on that road on which you're traveling. Pache. But for sure, you can ask about the track, this route which will be taken.
Yes, ma'am.
That you can inquire. And then you can search on your own and see whether you're satisfied with the route. Is it the shortest route? Or is he taking you long? And if at all is taking you long, then why at all? Like supposing we had gone for Corbett Park. So we went a little longer. The reason was the students were to visit one more place which was coming on the way, but little off way. What place? How many of you went for Corbett visit from the school? Corbett National Park. How many of you went when the school trip went? It went twice. None of you
Yes,
went for
ma'am.
the
No, ma'am,
went.
we did.
No,
Oh,
ma'am.
so when you were going to Corbett, which place did you visit on the way? Stopped at one place. And return journey also you had stopped at one place.
Ma'am, we stopped at a restaurant.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
fine. And return journey, I think you stopped somewhere. Must be the museum.
Yes, ma'am. A museum
Yes,
and a
ma'am.
temple.
Temple, museum and a temple. So route you can ask, itinerary. Okay, what did you
Ma'am,
feel?
we
What?
can,
Yes.
Mention
ma'am,
them.
we could always ask them about like we had DJ nights and stuff, like events.
Yes, we can ask about this, no doubt. Very good. Of course, you can ask about this.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Pache. Campfire, arrangements for
Mention,
campfire and music night, something like this. Yes, Pache.
ma'am, like it is a hilly area, so we can ask them for an experienced driver.
Hmm. Somebody had mentioned about safety measures, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So that would be included, beta. Police verification, experienced drivers, we can include this. I think that is enough. We've taken a lot of details from the person. He'll go mad giving us so many details. Kindly send us your brochure and itinerary at your earliest. See, they put itinerary here. A quick response will be appreciated. Yours faithfully, so and so, senior coordinator. What are these letters? Which kind of letters are these?
Inquiry letters.
To tell you very quickly, there is a company who's going to send you to NASA. Fine? Trip to NASA. Give me the introductory paragraph quickly, orally. Today, orally, because we're doing it for the first time. One company who's organizing a trip to NASA, and this is only for students. So you can talk about scholarships and discounts also. Yes, we could have talked about bulk discounts.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now students, you can talk about scholarship discounts or bulk discounts because this is specially arranged for students. This tour to NASA. What all documents will have to be furnished, like passport, visa, all these things. See, I've given a very complicating one, a typical one. If you plan this, you will be able to plan others.
Ma'am, may I try?
Yes, beta, please start.
Dear sir or ma'am, this is to seek information about the trip to NASA for a week. We wish to seek the assistance of a reputed company to arrange for this trip. We are a group of 25 students. We plan to leave on the morning of 30th June. We are sure that we will make our journey and stay very comfortable. Kindly furnish us with the following details.
Okay, Gargi, well planned. The only issue that I'm having is probably, I don't know, some problem in my network or yours. Not very clear. Children, could you hear clearly?
No, ma'am, her voice was quite low.
Yes,
No, ma'am.
Gargi. Some issue is coming, beta. If you've written it neatly, can you post it or you planned it orally?
I'm already
Orally only. Sometimes it's very clear when you speak. Sometimes there's a confusion or some problem is there. Yes, children, you don't want to go to NASA? If you will not do an inquiry, then how you will go?
May I try?
Going to NASA or writing a letter?
Ma'am, writing a letter to go to NASA.
Yes, that would be the first step, right, beta?
Yes. Dear sir or ma'am, this is to inquire about and to a NASA trip for 10 nights and 11 days. We are a group of 30 students and we have planned to leave on the morning of 2nd of June. We wish your esteemed company to arrange this trip for us and we make sure that you will make our journey safe and make us comfortable. Kindly furnish us with the following details.
Please furnish us with the following details. Now the details are also going to be a little different because it's a foreign tour. Okay?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can we change? We cannot ask about the route taken. Is it okay? We cannot talk about the safety measures because we're going to go by air. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we could ask for the COVID measures.
Yes, we can ask about the COVID precaution measures, COVID protocols to be followed or not, because keep in mind that it's an international flight. So all these things have to be kept in mind. Of course, cost.
Ma'am, we can ask for luggage details, like there is a criteria, that this much bag is this much weight